It's a 2015 Chrysler 200. Chrysler has built the 200 to compete with the world's best midsize sedans. It's the culmination of intuitive technology, efficiency, and performance. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Cars.com reports in crash tests by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the 200 sedan earned the top score, good across all categories. Accordingly, the car is an IIHS top safety pick. Chrysler, where top flight engineering meets affordable luxury. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.